Don't you worry, just keep watching this video and you'll know the lumbar plexus in no time. And stick around for this mnemonic. I twice get laid on Fridays. And also, I'll share this super special trick. We can't do these videos without you. If you hit the subscribe button, we'll make sure to do a lot more of these helpful lessons. Okay, let's do this. Lumbar plexus is formed from the anterior rami of the lumbar nerves L1 to L4 and also receives some fibers from the thoracic nerve T12. Let's look at the anterior view of this area. We'll first label the medial side and the lateral side. Now let's label some bones and helpful landmarks. Vertebrae L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. This is the sacrum, the pelvis, the iliac crest, the iliac fossa, the obturator foramen, the pubis symphysis, and the inguinal ligament here. And let's not forget the femur bone. Next, we'll label some nerves that we'll cover in the next lesson. Here's the lumbosacral trunk, the sciatic nerve, and the sacral plexus. In this lesson, we'll learn the 6 main nerves that come off the lumbar plexus. This lumbar plexus actually forms inside the psoas major muscle, which we have shown here. And the branches of the lumbar plexus can be understood in relation to the psoas major muscle and where they emerge from this muscle. Okay, first a high-yield must-know fact is that all the nerves emerge lateral to the psoas major muscle, except the genitofemoral and the obturator. The genitofemoral nerve, L1 and L2, actually emerges anteriorly from the psoas major muscle. And the obturator nerve, L2, L3, and L4, emerges medially from the psoas major muscle. The rest emerge lateral to the psoas major muscle. So the laterally emerging nerves are iliohypogastric, L1, ilioinguinal, L1, lateral femoral cutaneous, L2 and L3, and the femoral, L2, L3, and L4. So now you know the relationship of where the nerves of the lumbar plexus emerge from in relation to the psoas major muscle. Let's now use a mnemonic to never forget them. Here we have taken the lumbar plexus in all its glory. We'll label the nerve roots here in yellow, beginning with L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. The nerves you're seeing in blue are the anterior divisions of the lumbar plexus, and in pink are the posterior divisions. Now don't be afraid, we got this. To learn this, we'll use the mnemonic, I twice get laid on Fridays. I hope this is true for some of you. Also, let's write down this super cool trick over here, because we'll use this to remember the nerve roots. 2 from 1, 2 from 2, and 2 from 3. I'll show you this in a bit. The mnemonic reads, I twice. For the iliohypogastric and the ilioinguinal nerves, I comes twice. The iliohypogastric is superior and the ilioinguinal is inferior. You'll remember this for sure because you know gastric from the iliohypogastric has a stomachy ring to it, and the stomach is definitely superior to the inguinal region. Now we'll use this key. You see it says 2 from 1. This is because 2 nerves come from one root value, L1. Iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal are 2 nerves from one root value, L1. I twice get laid. Okay, easy now. Get is the genitofemoral nerve from L1 and L2, and laid has to come after the genital, right? So laid is the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve of the thigh. This nerve comes from root values L2 and L3. Now you see the genitofemoral nerve, L1 and L2, and the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, L2 and L3. Both of these 2 nerves come from 2 nerve roots. So use this key, 2 from 2. Next to the mnemonic is, I twice get laid on Friday. Yeah, both of them are pretty heavy laying on me. And yes, these 2 nerves are pretty large nerves that innervate the largest muscle groups. On is for the obturator nerve, and the Friday is for the femoral nerve. Obturator nerve innervates the muscles in the medial compartment of the thigh, and the femoral nerve innervates the anterior compartment of the thigh. Now these 2 nerves have the largest number of nerve roots. We use our trick, 2 from 3. 2 large nerves from 3 root values. As you can see, both of these nerves have the same root values, L2, L3, and L4. Awesome. Now let's quickly review. First, we must know that the lumbar plexus is coming off the anterior ramiz of L1 to L4. Second, we must know is the mnemonic, I twice get laid on Fridays. This gives us the order of the branches of the lumbar plexus. Now our last thing we must know is the trick 2 from 1, 2 from 2, and 2 from 3. That twice getting laid will make you remember this trick, and you'll quickly write down 2, 2, 2, and then just 1, 2, 3 on the right. Now putting it together, we know now that I twice, iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal nerves, are the first nerves in order and are two nerves from one root value, L1. Next, we get laid is the genitofemoral L1 and L2 and the lateral femoral cutaneous L2 and L3. And these two nerves are from two nerve root values each. Lastly, we say on Fridays, which is the largest amount of nerve roots, two nerves from three roots. The obturator nerve with its three roots, L2, L3, and L4, and the femoral nerve originating from the same three nerve roots, L2, L3, and L4. Great job, that's all. Now just some nerves for completeness sake. Up here, there is a subcostal nerve from the last thoracic nerve, the 12th thoracic nerve, which contributes to the lumbar plexus. Here from the third and the fourth lumbar nerve roots is the accessory obturator nerve, which isn't always there. Lastly, the nerves here are just muscular branches to the psoas and the iliacus muscles. Well done and awesome for staying with us. Don't forget to rewatch this video and have some paper and markers nearby. Draw it over and over and practice recalling the structures. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.